Would you look at that? We are at 70%, 4 days, 17 hours, 59 minutes as of right now. And it is 9:30 on Saturday, April the 29th. So by my calculations, it prints about 10% for every 22 hours. So sometime on Monday or early Monday morning, it's going to be finished. But let me show you what this looks like today. I did not make a video yesterday because there was not much to see. The pattern is coming out beautifully. Everything is looking real good. I'm just as nervous as I can be because to have a failure at this point, I would cry like a baby, throw a titty tantrum, just be really upset if you don't know the truth. I've used almost, well, let's say I've used almost a half a row of filament, which was brand new when I started. Now, I did not pick this color for any particular reason. It's just what I saw and I thought I'd try. But I really do like the flesh tone. Now, it will be painted, but this is a good color. This is E-Sun filament premium, and it is printing absolutely beautiful. So we'll see you again, hopefully on Monday morning with a finished product. So till then, have a great day and watch out for the crazies.